What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Tim Talker Banks. If you're new here, so you guys, we are starting this vlog going out. Okay, I have an event for young women, and that's where I'm headed to right now, and I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. And yeah, so let's go have fun together. If you haven't smash the like button, do it right now. Just smash the like button, and I'm just going to carry you guys along. So let's get going. Hi, good morning.
So mommy was like the national patron of the Brazilians. That's why we have them here to honor her today. Please let's encourage them. Put your hands together for them. If you can dance, please get up and dance. Okay? Thank you. God bless you.
This one. 120. They are lovely. So I'm selling rice. So. What are the good afternoon? Hello.
This is oat flour. This is black beans.
Okay.
This one is cassava flakes.
Are you on Instagram? Can you give me?
Yes.
So what's your name on Instagram?
It's Next in Foods.
Next in Foods. Okay, so you sell all these things. How much is this oat?
This oat is 1.5.
1.5 each. Thank you. I don't want selling these clothes.
Yeah, but mine I didn't.
I'll chat with you on Instagram. What's your name?
My name is Violet.
Violet. The baby very beautiful. Like his mother. Hi. Oh, what are you selling? Okay, they are very pretty.
Do you want one?
No, I didn't plan to buy anything, but they are very beautiful. Do you have a flyer? Or are you on Instagram? You are not on Instagram. We have rice, and right about now I'm going to be prepping just a very little vegetable sauce. So we have cabbage, carrots, tomato, onions, and some pepper. And yeah, just a very simple vegetable sauce. There's no serere and okay, so we're just going to be guys, look at what I'm drinking. It's called Tamakos. It's like a favorite in the house. my husband always buys like the packets. Like it's so nice and it's all natural, no sugar, it's all organic ingredients. It's made of tamarind, dates, and no added sugar, and something that tastes pepperish like this. It's so good, you guys. It's not sponsored, but our person they make them. So it's made of organic tamarind fruit, water, organic dates, herbs, and spices. Like, it is so good. This thing is so good that my husband will buy and hide, make other people for us not see and drink. But it's so good. Like, it is so good. If you are based in Abuja, I don't even know if their phone number is on this thing. Okay, yeah, their phone number is here. You can order. It is so good. There was one time that one of my husband's friend, he had to bribe me and buy one bottle, because after we gave him money, he was like, wow, this is so lovely. And he had to buy it too from my hands. But yeah, what's up, you guys? I was just editing this video. I was like, let's give it an outro. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I appreciate you and I love you so much. Okay, if you don't know, I do, because you are answered prayer. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. And you guys, please remember to buy Tamakos drink. It's good. Like, it's really good, you guys. I love the packaging, the taste of the drink, and to think that there is no preservative. It's just all organic, and it's so good, you guys. This thing is so good that the Swedish embassy actually put them on, that's the manufacturers, on a retainer. It's a small business person who, well, she's not small, she's a big woman, but she's just doing this by the side. But it's really so good, guys. It's really good. So yeah, thank you. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.